Hello, today we're going to discuss reindeer number matching. So the sign reindeer, reindeer, or reindeer. Reindeer, reindeer. Either one is fine. So let's see. Here we have our reindeer. Oops, where is antlers? Where are they? They're not there. Antlers, there's none. So what do? We need to match the amount of antlers. We need to match it with a number on the nose. So let's see. The number 1. So we would get 1 antler, the head, 1 to match the nose. You want them to match. So you can use candy canes, you can use sticks, you can use a pencil, maybe a marker. You can draw it. So you have the reindeer head, the head. We want to add the antlers to match the number. So, for example, this reindeer, his nose has the number 4. So what do? We have the head. We want 4 antlers. So you can use the candy canes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can use the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you decide, think about it. We want the number to match. Good. Also, we have the numbers, we have the finger spelled numbers. So the numbers on your hands. 1, 2, 3, and keep going. Also have the written words. So the numbers, their names are written down. So TWO, that means 2. So whatever you decide, think about it. The nose, the number on the nose, you want to match with the number of antlers. Good.